Hello, my name is Charlie, and my planet is called Super Saturn, or J1407b. You can see that I've made a brochure to talk a little bit about my planet. First, we have my rocket, then it talks about the budget a little bit, and then the time it'll take to get there. After that, it talks about the 5 essential conditions of life, and then the features of my object. And then on the back, it just cites all the sources. So, yeah. So it's first start talking about my budget. It'll take approximately around $23 trillion in order to get there. So, yeah. And then for how long it'll take to get there, it'll take, I guess, approximately 3 million years, going at least at 90,000 miles per hour. Next, we have the 5 essential conditions of life. One is energy. So, my planet gets lots of sunlight, and it is a brown dwarf, which is not, it's smaller than a sun, but bigger than a planet. So it doesn't burst into nuclear fusion, but it is pretty hot. So we could use geothermal energy to extract some of that heat and use it for energy. Next is temperature. Like I said, it is pretty hot due to the sun and that it's a dwarf, like a brown dwarf. So I thought that if we shot like regulated bursts of fine dust into the atmosphere, we could sort of create like a fake ice age-ish to kind of cool down the planet. And so, yeah, because it radiates heat, that will keep it warm still. So, yeah. And then we have atmosphere. So, I guess by dispersing CO2, CFCs, and O2 into the atmosphere, you will create one. So, yeah. Next we have water. So, Super Saturn obviously is kind of like Saturn except a lot bigger. So it has a lot more rings, and those rings contain lots of materials and asteroids, including frozen water. So that's how we can get water. Next is materials, and like I said a second ago, the rings around Super Saturn have lots of materials, and yeah, that'll cover that. The features of my object are hot and dry, 2 rings, 2,000 times that of Saturn's, a 50-day eclipse, more than 60 moons, some of which are exomoons, and it's a brown dwarf. So, yeah, that's my brochure. And, sightings are on the back. Just, okay. Thank you, and bye.